Writing style. Informative, hey everyone. Today I'm diving deep into a controversy that's been stirring up the crypto community like a hornet's nest, the Eth Gate scandal. What is it? And why is it causing such a stir among blockchain enthusiasts and financial regulators alike? Let's break it down. The term Eth Gate isn't just a fancy buzzword, it's a serious allegation that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, might have shown favoritism towards Ethereum, while being particularly harsh on Ripple and its XRP token. This distinction is crucial because it touches on how these cryptocurrencies are classified, as securities or not, which has massive implications for their legal and regulatory treatment. So, why Ethereum and not XRP? Ripple's CTO recently hinted that Ethereum's pre-ICO investments could be a key factor. It appears that some big names might have had early stakes in Ethereum, which could have swayed the SEC's decision-making. A bit of a conflict, don't you think? But there's more. Critics argue that this favoritism is evident in how the SEC has approached regulations. Ethereum received what some call a free pass on certain regulatory hurdles, which has not been the case for many other cryptocurrencies, including XRP. This inconsistency raises questions about the fairness and integrity of the SEC's policies. And if we look deeper, the plot thickens. Allegations suggest that there might have been some behind-the-scenes influence that benefited Ethereum. High-profile figures associated with Ethereum might have had informal and potentially influential conversations with key SEC personnel. However, let's not jump to conclusions. These allegations, while supported by some suggestive evidence, are not yet proven. The truth behind Eth Gate is still shrouded in mystery and speculation. But one thing is certain. The crypto community is watching closely, and the outcome of this controversy could have lasting effects on the landscape of cryptocurrency regulation. As of now, Ethereum trades at $1,635. The price, however, is only a small part of the story. The bigger picture involves understanding how these decisions by regulatory bodies like the SEC affect the broader financial technology landscape. What do you think? Is Eth Gate a legitimate concern or just another conspiracy theory in the vast world of cryptocurrency? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this deep dive insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cryptocurrency and tech analysis. Until next time. Scene 2, deep dive into the allegations. Writing style. Investigative now, let's delve deeper into the specific allegations that have been made. The controversy began to gain traction when documents surfaced suggesting that certain SEC officials had close ties with Ethereum's founders. These documents hinted at possible conflicts of interest and raised questions about the impartiality of the SEC's regulatory actions. A whistleblower within the SEC even came forward, alleging that internal discussions were influenced by these relationships. Financial records showed that significant investments were made by influential figures in Ethereum before the SEC's favorable rulings. This has led to accusations that the SEC's decisions were not entirely based on legal criteria, but were swayed by financial interests. The debate has even reached the courts, with Ripple filing motions to uncover more information about the SEC's internal communications. These legal battles are ongoing, and the outcome could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the future. The scales of justice are being tested, and the crypto community is eagerly awaiting the results. Public opinion is also playing a significant role with with protests and petitions calling for greater transparency from the SEC. thousands have signed petitions demanding an independent investigation into the SEC's actions. Media coverage has been extensive, with major news outlets picking up the story and adding to the pressure on the SEC. The SEC has responded by stating that their actions are in line with regulatory standards and that they are committed to fair and transparent practices. However, critics argue that these statements are not enough and that more concrete actions are needed to restore trust. Trust in regulatory bodies is crucial for the stability of financial markets, and any perceived bias can have far-reaching consequences. Financial analysts have warned that the outcome of this controversy could have significant implications for the future of cryptocurrency regulation. The crypto community is watching